In this video I'll show you a very cool necklace made with crochet and elastic band. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We are also involved in slow fashion. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Today I have chosen to make this very cool necklace with crochet, and I'm recycling this band, which is an elastic band as you see, and I'm recycling this type of acrylic. So as I said, from the materials will be this elastic band, acrylic for crochet for the base of crochet, and the chain of crochet, and also I'm going to use this to ornate the base, the chain crochet. So this is to ornate, and I'm going to use these flowers or florets, also this big one, or I might use, and the little ones as well. So my tools for today will be scissors as usual, and cutters. Will be for crochet, I've got 2.5 and a 3 millimeters, or this is a size 3 and a size 4 on the other side, and it's a 2.5 millimeter, which this size 3 and 4 is smaller. See which one works better. Also glue, craft glue, will be also the cold glue. I usually like to keep with me some nail polish with sparkle, which I could use, and also I will need a craft fabric stiffener or stiffener for the crochet, and I applied with a brush. And also I would need some jump rings. I've got a size 7 to 8 and size 3 millimeters. I'll need the cord endings, which I've got 2 different ones. I'm gonna have to find same size and same color, of course, and a clasp to finish. To start, I'm gonna start with my crochet. So I'm gonna do 2 lines of crochet around this elastic band, which will start from here to here. I'll start with a small petal, and then I will increase to a big petal, and probably I'll do 2 petals on the row. So, and also to keep in line in here, or I might do a bit bigger. We'll see how that goes. Probably I'm gonna use this one because this is a smaller size, and this is a size 3, and this is a size 4. Just because to enter into this one, these are delicate holes, and I don't want to ruin that with a 2.5 millimeters. So I'm gathering the size 3 is a lot smaller than 2.5. So I'm gonna start in here, as I said, and even with this one it's a bit difficult, but it's doable. So just gonna put everything aside to make some room, and let's So this is our latest creation. Thanks for watching so much, and please stay humble and wonderful.